guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandra and I'm a nurse practitioner. And today I'm going to show you how to apply a quick and easy splint on your child if they happen to fall at the playground or if they collided with another child while playing sports. They're going to need something to support their arm and provide some comfort while you transport them to the hospital or the urgent care to get an x-ray. So my little 2-year-old son here is going to help demonstrate, and he's very excited about this. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a splint out of a pillowcase. So this is just to provide some padding and support to the arm or the wrist while you're taking your child to the hospital or while they're riding in the car. You can also use a piece of cardboard, but make sure you pad it with something such as a towel or a pillowcase or a blanket, and that'll just provide comfort and support until they are evaluated by a medical provider and they get an x-ray. Okay, so to make a splint out of a pillowcase, just fold it in half and then fold it in half again. So it's about this size. And then you're gonna fold it one more time. So it's about this size. And then you're going to fold it in thirds. So you're gonna go that way and then that way. So you have this sort of log. And it's pretty sturdy once it's folded, but it provides enough cushion as well that you don't need to put cardboard in this. So if your child has an actual injury, they're going to have a lot of pain. They're not going to want you to be touching it. Probably going to look swollen, maybe even deformed. So if you have an extra set of hands, that would be helpful. Otherwise, I would get a pillow because that provides some cushion while you're doing the splint. Okay, so you're going to want to position your child's arm on top of the splint. So if they have an injury here in the forearm or the wrist, you want to have it extend up to the fingers and past the elbow. And like I said, you may have some swelling in here and some deformity, so you have to be really gentle. Okay, so you're going to open up your wrap and gently apply it over the wrist, and this is where an extra set of hands can come in handy because they can help lift the whole arm. You're going to go around once, like that, and then come up through the fingers. Up. Up through the fingers. Up. And this one's a little bit big on him. A 2-inch wrap would probably be better, but this will still work. And then you're going to go back down. And then you can go up again. And go back down, and you're leaving the fingers exposed and the thumb exposed. And then you're going to start going down the arm. So on kids, I prefer the Velcro, but this one comes with the little metal clasps. So we're just using that for this demonstration. But these little metal pieces can pinch the skin. So Velcro is ideal for the kids. And there you go. You have a splint on a wrist and a forearm. Yeah, do you like it? It's well protected for transport. If you have a sling, you can put the arm up near the chest here, and that'll prevent swelling and keep blood returning to the heart. Otherwise, you can just bring your pillow along in the car and put it on their lap in the car seat, and that will keep the wrist and arm elevated as well. So you want to check all the fingertips and make sure they're nice and warm and pink after you put the splint on to make sure they still have good circulation. Do you like it? And there you go. That's how you can do a quick splint to get your child comfortably to the hospital for an x-ray. All right, you guys, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get all my new videos. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I will see you in my next video.